In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use filters in Smartsheet. Filters are a great way to focus on exactly the information you need in a busy sheet without deleting or permanently hiding anything. You're simply telling Smartsheet which rows to show you based on criteria that you choose. Start by opening the sheet where you want to work. At the top of your screen, in the main toolbar, look for the Filter button. Go ahead and click that. This opens the filter menu, which is where you'll create and manage all of your filters for this sheet. From the drop-down that appears, choose New Filter. This is how you start building a brand new filter from scratch. A panel or window will open where you can define what this filter should do. You'll see an option to name your filter. Giving your filter a clear descriptive name is very helpful, especially if you plan to reuse it later. For example, you might name it High Priority Tasks or Items Due This Week. If you decide to leave the name blank, Smartsheet will create an unnamed filter that's unique to you. It will still work the same way, but named filters make it much easier to find and reuse them over time. Next, you'll set your conditions. This is the heart of your filter. A condition is made up of three parts: a column, an operator, and a value. First, choose the column you want to filter on, such as status, assigned to, or due date. Then pick an operator like contains, is equal to, is not equal to, or other options depending on the column type. Finally, enter or select the value you want to match, such as a specific word, a name, or a date. You can add multiple conditions to narrow your view even more, but the basic idea is always the same: column, operator, value. Once you're happy with your setup, click Apply. Smartsheet will immediately run the filter and update the sheet so you only see the rows that match those conditions. Your underlying data is still there. It's just temporarily hidden from view. To use or manage filters later, click the Filter button again. In the menu, you'll see any filters you've saved. Click a filter's name to turn it on and instantly apply it to your sheet. If you ever want to go back to seeing everything, choose Filter Off. That clears any active filter and brings all of your data back into view.